Nope, not too close. I need to be able to walk. Bring it back farther. Bring it all the way back, please. Bring it back a little bit more. Yeah. Is it straight? Let's see if it's straight. Yeah, I think that's good enough, but let's push it down a little bit more. I think that's a good path, right? I can walk through here. And then once these are moved, I can walk through there. And once that move, I can walk through here. Perfection. Okay. Let's move all those bags out of the way so we can put the other one there. Okay, you guys, so right around here is where my mic cut off. I'm not sure what's going on with this thing. I might need a new one, or I just might need to troubleshoot it. But anyways, I decided to go ahead and harvest my potatoes out of these 2 bags that you're seeing there. The one behind me and the one in front of me. These are my Yukon Golds, and these are my seed potatoes. They probably were not ready yet, but I just needed to get them out of the ground because they were looking sad, y'all. You can see the plants yourself. Didn't get such a great harvest. And part of that is due to me. Right there, I'm showing you the seed potato that I planted. And I'm going ahead and digging what I can find. They're small, but they're definitely usable. So I will take what I get for sure. I am a small space gardener, and this is going to serve me for at least 2 to 3 meals, and that's okay. I think next time what I will do is do a little bit more fertilizing because I didn't do that. And so the plants didn't get as green and as lush as they should have due to that. So that's why they're so small. But like I said, I will take what I get, y'all. They are edible, and I am going to make use of them. Last time I made them into a potato salad, and they were the most creamiest potatoes. And the potato salad was just amazing. So I'll take homegrown any day, no matter the size. I will take it. So I'm going to let you guys just watch and see what I'm going to get for the rest of my harvest. It's, like I said, it's not a big one, but it's enough. Okay, you guys, so I am moving on to bag number 2. I really overseeded these bags. I put about 7 to 8 seed potatoes in each bag, and they probably needed a lot more space to grow as well, on top of me not fertilizing them enough. So yeah, it's all good though. Another seed potato there. I'm going to get a little bit less out of this bag, but it's all good. Like I said, I'm going to show you guys what I got in the end. So give it a few. It's coming. I'm just going to let some music play while you watch me dig through the dirt. Okay, you guys, so here I am finishing up. I'm about to show you the harvest that I just got. I am very pleased with what I have. It's small but beautiful at the same time because I grew it. I'm proud of it. Like I said, you live and learn every time you garden, right? So next year I know I need to plant less in these grow bags, as well as fertilize more and water more. I don't think I watered enough. And they're in grow bags and they tend to dry out quite quickly. So anyways, you guys, I want to say a huge thank you for tuning into my video. I hope you like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And remember, you guys, subscribing costs you guys nothing at all. So have a great evening, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching, you guys. Now watch me struggle as my son pulls me up. Oh, Lord, getting old is not fun. Bye, guys. Have a great night.